Hello and welcome to the follow-up video on Password Safe. In this video we'll cover restoring sessions from the Windows system tray and also generating random passwords without having an entry created. Thank you for viewing. I hope this helps. Okay, we'll go ahead and start by going over to the system tray and left clicking on the caret up and then right click on the password safe. We'll see a couple options. If we click unlock safe without one open, we'll just get a no safes open message there with no real indication of what happened. We can left click on restore and we'll click on our ellipses for database selection. Typically databases are kept in the my documents folder or in the documents folder. We'll see if we remember the password safe for this, and yep, we do. All right, a couple options here. So that is how to restore from the system tray. Anytime that it closes down below, it's not there. We can go ahead and see that it is available there. We can lock it if we want, but we also select restore, and we don't need to put our password in again. We can just pin to taskbar by right clicking on the icon on the taskbar. And that'll keep it there for us, so that way it doesn't just disappear. We can go on in and manage the options as always. If we wanted to import from another password safe, we'd just go ahead and select the option. If we wanted to export this one first, we would export from here, and then we could import to another one with these options here in the file. And we can go ahead and actually, just without creating an entry, we can go ahead and generate a password here following the policies that we use. Just generate down here, select, and add it to your application. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching.